Good morning, guys. It's day 2 and I'm currently in the car. I got like 1 hour 12 minutes left. Hopefully it's gonna go better than it did yesterday. So yeah, let's go. A really good reason why I use the GB bars is because one reason they are affordable. You will go through a lot of bars when you're doing this professionally, but also these are slotted, and you got holes here for the Panther mill, which I have one. I'll show it to you in the future, but you can use this to overclamp. So I usually just take a piece of wood and then I can bend the nose a bit, not too much, just so you get the bar flat, and then you just tighten the nuts on both sides, and then the other one the same. We're done, folks. Five slabs, 6 hours today. I'll take that. Now we're gonna pack up and yeah, get home. No need to stand out here in the rain.